These little fish have a big job ahead. They're red handfish, endemic to Tasmania and critically endangered. Less than 100 individuals are estimated to remain in the wild.
You don't really want to be starting captive breeding programs for threatened species. You're getting towards the last resort.
Red handfish only breed once a year. This season tripled the number of captive fish in the handfish conservation program.
It's rewarding for the whole team that we've been able to produce what we think's in one breeding season double the population of what we think still persists in the wild.
It's been a learning process. In the previous 2 breeding seasons, only 33% of fertilised eggs hatched, compared to 70% this year.
There's no manual for red handfish. They're not that robust in captivity.
The tiny hatchlings, no bigger than a pea, will eventually be released into the wild here in southeast Tasmania. Before then, they'll need to go through handfish school, a conditioning program that will train them to survive and thrive in the wild. But for now, they've got some growing up to do. The conservation team hopes to release some of the fish next year, when they're 12 months old and 1 centimetre long.
The majority of them will go to the wild, hopefully survive and reproduce themselves. And hopefully in future years it's not 100 being put back, but it's more like 1,000 or more each year. So that's what we need, that's what we hope to do.
Growing the population is only half the challenge, with habitat degradation remaining a key threat.
That's the other part of the puzzle here, trying to increase the number of animals that we have in captivity, trying to restore the habitat so that we have somewhere safe to put the animals back.
A big step forward in saving one of Tasmania's smallest creatures. Sophie Jaggers, ABC News.